How to use the IP Deny Manager in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to use the IP Deny Manager. Click the IP Deny Manager icon. Enter an IP address or range you would like to block, then click Add. That's it. We've now blocked anyone using the IP address 123.45.67.89 from accessing our website. You can see which IP addresses are currently being blocked. And you can remove IP blocks by clicking the red X in the Remove column. Then click Remove IP to confirm. That's it! The IP address has been removed from the blocked list. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to block IP addresses from accessing your website.